In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream your screen on YouTube. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, we have to download, OBS Studio. We go to the search bar in Google Chrome and click download OBS Studio. Then we will go and click on download OBS Studio. OBS Studio, by the way, is a screen recorder for PC. So come here and click download installer. So after downloading, guys, and after installing it on your PC, and after opening it, you will find this. So what you have to do right now, guys, go right now to your YouTube first. You have to go to your YouTube channel and click on Go Live. When you click on Go Live, you will find this button here, learn how to use encoders. Click on it and you will find here Stream K. Click on copy. Next, go back to your OBS Studio. Come click on settings. So right now here on settings, you should go and click on stream. Go to service, change it to YouTube and click use Stream K. Then click here on Ctrl V to paste our passkey that we copied from our live. So then click on apply and click OK. Next, close this window if you want and click on start streaming. Click start streaming and go back to your channel. Click here down. Right now, your screen will be showing here, and right now, as you can see, you are live and you are sharing your screen on live on your channel on YouTube. If you find, guys, this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another tutorial.